Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do something fun. I have this painting that I did a while ago for a collaboration with the little pouring art family from Facebook. And I am doing a review on some gold leaf that I got from BeeBeeCraft. So, I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to use it all yet. I'm just going to start kind of playing around and putting some down. I'll show you. It's really pretty. I really like working with this stuff. It just makes your piece even just more beautiful if you can even do that. But so I think I'm just going to add a little bit of gold here and there and just kind of play around and see what happens. And then after I'm done, I'll let that set. And then after it dries really well, then I'll go back in and resin this piece because I think it'll be beautiful resined. So yeah, so I'm gonna turn on a little jams for you because I probably won't talk too much. I got this off of Amazon. This is, it's by Speedball Mona Lisa Metal Leaf. It's adhesive. It works really well for the gold leaf. Hey everybody. All right, so I let this set. I let it set all night. I don't think you necessarily have to let it set that long, but I like to just to make sure that it's fully dry. And I got this little paintbrush here that I got with the set of I got the gold leaf that they sent me, and it also has silver too, which is super pretty. And I got this stuff from BeeBeeCraft. So when I just let this set all night, and then I just this is backwards for me, so So there we have that. Now what I'm going to do is get this all cleaned up because I don't want to have any extra, and then I'm going to get my resin out and then I will resin it. So pretty though with that gold leaf on there, like, I don't know. It's just going to be beautiful. Whoop. Alright, so I'm going to get my resin out and then I will bring you back in. Alright everybody, so I got my resin in here and I'm mixing it up. Actually I have a little bit extra because I need to put another coat on this other piece, so I have quite a bit in here. But the gold leaf, I'm really happy with it. It's really pretty. Just kind of gives it a little extra bling bling to it. Alright, so I'm just gonna pour down.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can.
So the resin is still wet, so sorry about the shadow. But that gold leaf just kind of gave it an extra little pop, and I really like it. I'm really happy with it. Turned out really good. So I would definitely recommend this gold leaf. There's quite a bit in the package. Like I said, it's gold and silver that comes in here, and then you get the brush with it as well. Nice little brush. So yeah, I'm pleased with it. I can't wait to use it more often in some other pieces. So pretty, and that resin on top of it just really makes it pop out. So yeah, if I get a dried result of the resin, I will definitely show you what it looks like. See you in a bit.